Y'all, I don't get aggravated by a lot, but I just walked in here. Y'all can't see me, but I'm coming to get this package from the door, and I see that my wreath has fell off the door. So I am in the process. I hope y'all can hear me. I did put this on. I'm in the process of decorating the kitchen, and I got a box from Astercook. Really nice and sturdy, but this is a kitchen cookware set. Y'all see it? And it says Astercook Easy and Healthy Cooking. It's detachable and non-stick cookware, heat resistant, hard to deform. The package is there if it's anything else, but even heating and versatile usage, easy cleaning and storage, and stylish design. Let me tell you if all that is true. So this is an online website, and they reached out to me named Astercook and asked me to review their pots. And you already know that your girl can cook. I wanted to make sure I was recording. All right, so I'm gonna open it. We're gonna open this together. So far, what I'm looking at, you guys, it's packed up really well. Let me change the angles so you can see me. Right. So there you go. You can see me. So this must be a lid. Sturdy and nice. I love the way that it's packed up. Everything is packed up so well. A handle. Okay. Look at this. I love this color. Beautiful. And it comes in, oh, I didn't know I was going to get this, y'all. Okay. You never have too many of these. I didn't know I was getting this. Oh, let me tell you. Silicone. You always want to cook with this. You know, we have all the pretty iron ones, but you never should cook with that. You should always cook with silicone. So this is perfect, and I love the wood grain. Perfect. Come through now, Astercook. I love the way that everything is packaged so nice and neat. But I want to get to the meat and potatoes. Oh, there's another one. Oh, girl, I got a whole set. I'm excited about that. Look at this pan. Ooh. I love that it have the nice divider, so when you stack your pots, you don't scrape them. That's what this is for. Girl, I know you lying. Look at that. Non-stick cookware, premium granite, versatile usage. Oh, I love this already. Oh, I love it already. Okay. This is another lid. Girl, I don't even know. Oh, so it shows you all of this. Oh, it show you. Oh, I got. Okay. Come on, Tangy. Read. So this is the tops. Okay. That's what that is. This is for the tops. All right. This is a book that explains everything to you. Oh. Okay. Bam, bam, boom. So this is lids for, oh, look at that. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. Oh, I love this. So you can double use. You can use this as a container and a pot. Yeah, that's what they mean when they say versatile. Oh my God, there's more. Oh, and you have the spoon rest. Oh, this thing come with everything. Oh, look at the little skillet. And I bet you could switch the lids. OMGs, Louise. Look at that. You know I'ma love that. Because I cook for them kids, right? Here's another one. So you won't scratch your stuff. I cook for them kids, right? Oh, I love this one. Look at this. Oh, I cook for them kids. And then if we don't eat everything, like I cooked yesterday, here's another one. And we didn't eat everything. And I had little stuff in the pan. So you can take, like I had some brisket yesterday. And I had a little rice. And I had just a little couple of pieces of brisket left and a little bit of rice. And I was able to put it in a pot together. And you could just take it and put the lid on it. And boom, you done. So I love that I can do that. So I'm going to clean up my mess and I'm going to put everything together and I'm going to come back. So let me show y'all this. So I put the lids on, right? So let me show y'all how quick this snaps on. Bam. Baby out. Girl. And then it comes loose. And then you got this one. Same thing. Snap on. Lid. Then let's just say I'm done cooking and I want to cover it up. I could take this off. Bam, bam, boom. And I can store it away. Girl. So let me give you another example of this really big one. So I can see me cooking my pasta and stuff in this. And lids. Like so. Ooh, I need this for something else. Pop that off of there, even though there's another one. Right? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Then I got the bowls. I got these pots too. Take that off of here. Okay, then I got a lid. I am done. Oh, and I have more rice. Take that. Store it away in a refrigerator. Store it away in a refrigerator. Lovely. All right, I'm about to cook. And I want to wash these and I want to cook. I am going to cook a small pot of grits in this one. And I am going to fry some bacon just because I want to use it. And take the lid off. In this one. So I'll be back. loving this pot set, and it cooks so good. The non-stick pot is A1. Remember, I will have the link down below so you can get you some. And I wanted to show you that it is later on in the day. It's Thanksgiving, by the way. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Look, I am still using my pots. But look, I am stuffing bell peppers, and I am still using my pot. So I cooked breakfast earlier, and now I am still using my pots. I love them, you guys. So you're gonna I'm going to show you the bell peppers. I'm going to show you guys all of the food when I am done. Just not me, because I look a mess. All right, I'll be back to show you the rest of the food. But look at my pot still going, girl. Bye, right, you guys. So look. Look at the two divas right here. Look, 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 look. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, y'all. So we got gumbo. Everybody wash your hands and brush your teeth. Yes. We got the bell peppers, macaroni and cheese, ham, greens. Girl, I'm saying everything wrong. Turkey, stuffing, ham. Okay, I'll bless the food. Best friend, happy holidays from my family to yours. We had a really good time. It started getting really chilly outside, so some of the small kids and some of the adults went inside. But of course, you know, me and my daughters, we had to stay outside and listen to the music. You guys, we had such an amazing time. We did every line dance that there is, boots on the ground. I mean, flex, everything you name, we was out there doing it. We had so much fun, and thank you so much for spending a little time with me on Thanksgiving. Now today is Black Friday. Don't go out there spending all your money here, because just so y'all know, y'all ain't getting no real good deals out there. I tell people that every year. All these sales that these people be having is sales that you could really get all year round, except for like doorbusters and things like that. But happy holidays, and I hope that you guys had the most amazing Thanksgiving. Oh, y'all, we had so much of food and drinks. Oh, child, we had a good old time, especially when we put on the New Orleans second line. We put on the New Orleans music. Oh, you know, we could never have a party without my children listening to the New Orleans bounce. You know, with no cursing, of course. But we had a really good time giving thanks, you know, for family, and we had fun. Good old-fashioned fun. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your holidays.